Alright, so I almost ran out of time there, so I went ahead and created part 2 for a couple word problems that we might see throughout. So, first word problem, a cell phone plan costs $45 a month for unlimited calling. Oops, there we go, I finally got my pen to work. So, plan costs $45 per month for unlimited calling plus 25 cents per text message. Write a linear model that represents the monthly cost of the cell phone plan if the user sends T text messages. So, say if we don't sell any, say if we don't text at all, what is going to be our flat rate no matter what? That's 45, right? That's also known as our y-intercept. So we can go ahead and do plus $45 because even if I text zero text, I still have to pay $45. Now, I increase at increments of 0.25 or 25 cents for every text message. So this will be my slope. And 0.25 for the number of text messages. And my cost would be out here. So cost equals 0.25t plus $45. So if you send 200 text messages, how much would you pay? How much would you pay according to the cell phone plan? Well, I just plug that right in. 0.25. My cost is equal to 0.25 times 200 plus 45. 0.25 is the same thing as 1/4. So a fourth of 200 would be 50. Plus 45 extra dollars for the talking. And so that equals $95. So cost of talking 200 minutes is, nope, that's $95. And you need to answer your word problems in complete sentences. So the cost of talking 200 minutes is $95 is a reasonable answer for that. All right, on to our next word problem. Connor has $50,000 in his bank. Every month he spends $500. He does not add money to the account. So, write a linear model that shows how much money will be in the account after X months. Well, again, we're going to have it in the form y equals mx plus b, where b is our starting point, right? So how much does he start with? Of course, $50,000. So our starting amount, $50,000, will be our b. Now, X months. Now, how much does he gain or lose every month? Well, he spends $500, so he loses $500. So since he starts out with $50,000. After 1 month goes by, he has $49,500, and so on and so forth. So he loses minus 500x each month. So write in a little near, y equals negative 500 x plus 50,000. So how much money will Connor have in his account after 10 months? Well, we just, again, plug it in. Y equals negative 500 10 times 10 plus 50,000. Well, negative 500 times 10 is negative 5,000 plus 50,000 gives you how much? 50,000 minus 5,000 is 45,000. Again, don't forget your units. And your answer would be Connor will have 45,000 after 10 months. All right, again, there's your review. The end. Have a good day. I'll see you for the test.